A clutter-free desk means a more productive workspace, and the Desky mini cable tray is that perfect solution to keep your cables organized and hidden. And whether you're using a Desky desk or any other setup, this tray is designed for universal compatibility. It's quick and easy to install, so let's get started. Underneath, at the back of your Desky, there are threaded inserts. Here's where we'll attach the mini cable tray. You can attach it either facing forwards or backwards, as well as at the back or towards the front of the desk. Note, with using a monitor arm, make sure to leave enough space for the clamp at the back of the desk when installing the mini tray. Using the 3 screws, attach the mini tray along the length of the desktop. And if you have a different desk or would like power in a different location, you can pre-mark the holes and drill locations to use wood screws. We suggest marking with a pen before drilling. Now let's manage those cables. Route your cables through the tray for that clean, hidden look. And you're able to secure the cables easily inside the tray using the Desky cable organizers. Now, if you've opted for power boards, simply click these into place, ensuring now that the power board faces the correct way for the cable installation. The mini tray allows you to add up to 8 additional power points. These power boards are designed to seamlessly click into position with minimal effort, providing easy access to power right at your desk. If you're using multiple power boards, you can connect them together using an interconnecting cable, allowing you to power the Desky and multiple devices from the back of your desk with only one lead running from your desk down to the floor. And that's it. Your desk is now clear and organized and free of cable clutter above and below the Desky. The Desky mini cable tray is simple yet a powerful upgrade for any workspace. And if you need any further help, you can always reach out to our friendly Desky team. Thanks for watching.